Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Instant English Flow, where learning English is simple, fun, and zero stress. I'm Maya.
Hey, Maya. What's up, amazing listeners? It's Ryan here, and I'm smiling like crazy today.
That smile is huge. What's the good news?
The year is almost done. It went by so fast, like whoosh, gone.
Right? And since we're wrapping up 2025, today we have a really special episode for you.
Special episode, yes please. What's the topic?
We're going to talk about how to plan your next year in the easiest, most exciting way possible.
Planning a whole year? That sounds kind of overwhelming.
It can feel big, but we're making it super simple and actually enjoyable.
I really need this. My plans are usually just a big mess.
No worries, Ryan. We're going to help you and everyone listening today.
Before we dive in, quick favor for our friends.
Yes, if you're liking this episode so far, please smash the like button right now. It means the world to us.
And don't forget to subscribe to Instant English Flow. We want to keep learning English together every week.
Oh, and share this video with a friend. Planning the new year together is way more fun.
All right, Maya, I'm ready. Hit me. How do we actually plan next year?
Okay, first twist, we don't start with the future. We start by looking back.
Back? But we're planning ahead.
I know, but first we do reflection. Think of it like scrolling through your best memories of the year.
Got it. Like opening your photo gallery.
Exactly. Grab a notebook and write down 3 to 5 favorite moments from 2025.
Okay. This year I did a weekend camping trip with my best friends. Stars, guitar, no signal, just vibes. That was epic.
Love that. Writing these highlights helps you figure out what really makes you happy.
Step 1 checked. What's next?
Step 2, pick just one big goal for 2026. Only one.
One? Man, I usually make a list of like 12 things. Gym every day, learn Spanish, read more, save money.
Ryan, that's why you give up by the second week of January.
Guilty. I never make it past February.
So choose one thing that really lights you up. What's yours?
I think focus. I want to feel more focused and get stuff done without distractions.
That's awesome. Write it big and bold. Focus.
Done, mentally at least.
Now break that big goal into tiny, easy steps.
Like what?
Super small, 20 minutes of focused work every morning, or put your phone on silent for 1 hour a day. Easy wins.
I can do that. Morning focus block locked in.
See? Not scary at all.
Step 3,
My favorite part. Get a calendar.
phone one.
Phone is fine, but I love a big wall calendar. You can see the whole year in one glance.
Oh yeah, that's smart. Mark important dates.
Exactly. Birthdays, holidays, trips, and especially fun time, too.
I have to schedule fun?
Yes, rest is just as important as work. Block off a beach weekend or a short trip in July.
July. Road trip with the boys. Already writing it.
When it's on the calendar, it feels real. You'll be excited for months.
I'm excited already.
Save it for summer. Now, step 4. This one's powerful. Choose your word of the year.
One word for the whole year? Tell me more.
It's your theme, your energy, your vibe for 2026. Just one strong word.
Example?
Mine is peace. This year was chaotic. Next year, I want calm, balance, and less rushing.
That sounds so good. Mine would be focus. Stay on track all year.
Perfect. When you feel distracted, just say, focus, Ryan, come on.
It's like having a personal coach in one word.
Exactly. And since this is an English show, let's plan our English learning too.
Yes, but no impossible promises like I'll be fluent in 3 months.
Nope, just small, realistic habits.
Like,
I'll watch one English video every Wednesday, or I'll learn 5 new words every weekend.
5 words times 52 weeks equals over 260 new words in a year. That's insane progress.
Small steps equal massive results.
Now I want to buy a new notebook.
Yes, get a fresh, beautiful notebook for the new year. New pages, new energy.
I'm going for a black one, clean and serious.
Awesome. Fill it with your goal, your word, your steps. Make it yours. Really take your time with it. Use colors, stickers, doodles, whatever makes you smile every time you open it.
Yeah, seriously. Make it feel like your thing. That's what keeps you coming back to it all year. Quick recap for everyone? Let's go over it one more time so it really sticks.
Here we go. The 6 simple steps to plan your best year ever. 1. Reflect. Take a quiet moment and write your top 3 to 5 favorite moments from this year, the ones that made your heart happy. Trust me, this step alone feels so good. 2. Choose one big goal, just one, something that really excites you. Then break it into tiny, super easy daily steps you can actually do. Small wins build big change. 3. Use a calendar, whether it's on your phone or a big, beautiful wall one. Mark birthdays, holidays, vacations, and especially fun time, because life isn't just work, it's also joy. 4. Pick your word of the year, one powerful word that becomes your guiding light. Mine is peace, Ryan's is focus. What's yours going to be? 5. Set small, realistic English habits. Things like 5 new words a week, 1 short video a day, or listening to us every week. Consistency beats perfection every single time. And finally, get yourself a beautiful new notebook. Fresh pages, fresh energy, fresh start. Treat yourself. You deserve it.
Maya, I have to say, after going through all of this, I feel so much lighter now. Like seriously, no more stress, just pure excitement for 2026. I'm actually looking forward to January for once.
That's exactly the magic of planning done right. When everything is clear and simple, your mind finally gets to relax. And that's when the real magic happens.
100%. I'm sold. Notebook, calendar, one goal, I'm in.
So friends, right now, pause this video if you need to. Grab your phone or a piece of paper, and in the comments below, please share with us. What's your word of the year?
We're going to be reading every single one. They're always so inspiring. Last time someone wrote courage and it gave me chills. Can't wait to see yours.
And hey, if you're new here, welcome to the family. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you never miss an episode, and share this video with one friend who you think needs a calmer, happier 2026. Let's help them too.
From both of us, wishing you all a fantastic, cozy, joyful end to 2025. Enjoy these last few days, eat the good food, hug the people you love, and rest.
And when the clock strikes midnight, step into an even brighter, more focused, more peaceful new year. We'll be right here with you every step of the way.
Bye, everyone. See you next time. Stay awesome.